Hi, I'm Claudia, and I'm a professional makeup artist here at LA Girl Cosmetics. Having problems with skin discoloration? Well, we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use our Pro Conceal color correctors to combat skin discoloration to create the most flawless and even complexion. Our Pro Conceal color correctors are creamy and lightweight and offer full coverage covering any imperfections by evening out the skin tone. They come with a brush on the tip to make application easy. With these concealers, anybody could be a pro. So what exactly is color correcting? Color correcting is the concept of using a complementary color to combat any skin imperfection, such as dark circles, scars, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. If you take a look at the color wheel, you'll see that each color has a complementary color. The combination of two complementary colors will create a neutral color, which ultimately helps with any skin pigment concern. We have a total of 10 color correctors: reddish, orange, peach, cool pink, yellow, light yellow, green, mint, lavender, and white. So which color do you use for which concern? Let's break it down. When looking at these correctors, you can break them down into 5 major categories. The first category is the red-orange category, which consists of the colors cool pink, peach, orange, and reddish. As you can see, these colors are all part of the same color family, just in darker and lighter shades. And when you look at the color wheel again, you'll see that the complementary color to this red-orange color is blue-green. So these 4 colors combat any green or blue on the face, such as dark spots, sunspots, veins, acne scars, and dark circles. The cool pink is for fair skin tones, the peach is for light skin tones, the orange is for medium to dark skin tones, and the reddish is for dark to deep dark skin tones. The next category is the yellow category, which consists of the colors light yellow and yellow. These shades are used to correct any purple on the face. This helps combat and brighten sunken under eyes to bring brightness to the face. The light yellow is for fairer skin tones, and the yellow is for medium to dark skin tones. The next category is the blue-green category, which consists of the colors green and mint. These shades are used to correct or neutralize any redness or orange tints in the skin, such as acne marks, rosacea, and sunburns. The mint corrector is for fair to light skin tones, and the green corrector is for medium to dark skin tones. The next category is the lavender corrector, which is used to neutralize any unwanted yellow undertones and sallowness. This can be used to instantly brighten up your face. This lavender corrector is for fair to medium skin tones. And the last category is the white corrector, which lightens and neutralizes any Pro Conceal shade or corrector shade and can be used for all skin tones. So now that we've gone over all the colors and their roles, let's apply. Our model Vivian here has a bit of discoloration and redness. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the correctors over our primer. We'll use the peach, light yellow, lavender, and green. Now that we've applied the color correctors, let's blend. Once we've blended everything into the skin, we'll apply our LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation on top. One tip that you can use is to apply a translucent setting powder on top of the color corrector to prevent color from peeking through the foundation. After applying the powder, you can apply the foundation on top and gently blend it into the skin. I'm going to use a damp blending sponge. Go ahead and pounce and blend evenly, and you're done. Now that you know these tips and tricks, you can become a professional color corrector yourself to create the most perfect complexion. Go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.